Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are on the second video review for the unboxing of the H1 Smartwatch. On this video, we are going to focus on the menus and features. So if you are interested to see the list of features on the H1 Smartwatch, watch this video. And again, if you find this video demo useful, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore the menus and features of the H1 Smartwatch. So we have a power button here, and we have a sporty, fashionable design. On top, we have notifications. On the bottom part, we have options and settings. On the left side, we have the menus, and on the right side, we have the widgets. Again, to access the main menu, just swipe from left to right. As you can see here, we do have a pedometer, automatic activity tracking. We have a list of sports functions. Seems like we do have a limited sports functions here. Okay, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sports functions. We have sleep monitoring, the heart rate monitoring, weather report, we have calendar, Bluetooth music control. We have a Bluetooth call here with support for phone book, contacts, and call history. We have contacts, remote photo control. We have voice assistant, breathing guide, alarm, stopwatch. We also have here a calculator, drink water reminder, sedentary reminder, find phone, and flashlight or torch. Message notifications. Here are the social apps supported. We have Facebook, Twitter or X, WhatsApp, and we have the settings here. Options for the display screen or notifications. Do not disturb mode. We have display and brightness. Okay, screen off, time. We have time settings. So you can change from 12-hour or 24-hour format time. You can also change here the time without connecting to the support app. We have menu options. We only have 3 here. Sound and vibration, shock. The term here is shock. We have password or security support and SOS. So that's it for the menus and features of our H1 Smartwatch, Lexus Fit powered smartwatch. So what do you think of the offered features here? Okay, despite its small body frame, we have a support for a Bluetooth call. We also have sports functions, but it is limited to only 9 common sports functions. This is your H1 Smartwatch. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and support our channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.